Okay, so this is packet number 2, and I'm going to walk you through how to do this packet. On the first page it says treble clef 2. This is a more detailed version of the treble clef drawing that you did before in packet number 1. And it shows you step by step how to do it. And it says, at the top it says trace it, and then it says 5 points. So if you skip this part, this is half of your points right here. This is worth 5 points, and then this is worth 5 points. So if you skip the tracing, you're not going to get all your points. You're going to get half points. You're going to get 50%. So do the tracing, all of the tracing, even this line right here. And this will guide you with all the steps to create a treble clef symbol that is neat and very clear. All right, so that is the treble clef. Same thing for the bass clef. Do not skip any of the tracing. Even if you feel like this is small potatoes and I can do it just fine, I want you to do the tracing, okay? And I'll give you feedback on how it looks as well. I want you to really concentrate and be very precise and very neat with your handwriting and music. All right, rhythm listening. So on the rhythm listening, we're listening for rhythm patterns of 4 beats. So for example, up here, I have a couple of patterns. I'll write new ones. All right. So let's say I have this pattern for A. So that's ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. I need a B pattern. Let's put a box around these so they don't get messed up. Maybe I'll do ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. And then I'll have a third pattern, option C. So what you're looking for is the pattern, and you're going to circle the entire pattern, okay? On some of the worksheets, I've noticed that some people got a little bit confused, and you were just circling one of the beats in the measure, or maybe 2 of the beat and then like another beat over here. That's not what we're doing. You're circling the entire pattern that I play. So I'll either play ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, and you'll circle A, or if I'm playing B, I'll go ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, and then you'll circle the entire B rhythm, if that makes sense. So that's with the rhythm listening. And if you're still confused, that's okay. I have done this with a couple of students over Zoom. So I just walk them through it over Zoom, and I can explain it to them, and you don't have to listen to the recording. I'll just give you, I'll just play it for you. All right. So you got rhythm listening. Okay, find that melody. Now you're looking for a sol, mi, or la melody, which is going to be one of these right here. We have a 2-line staff. The first line is sol, and the second line is mi. And I want you to practice doing the hand signs with me. So sol, mi, la. And it's the same thing as the rhythm. I'm going to do a pattern of 4 notes, and you're going to identify which pattern did I sing. Okay? So if I sing this pattern, it would sound like this. Sol, sol, la, sol, sol, mi, mi. But if I sing this pattern, it would sound different. It would sound like this. Mi, sol, mi, sol. And the great thing about these recordings is that you can go back and listen to them as many times as you need. I play them and sing them like a couple of times, but if you need to, go back and listen and make sure that what you circled is correct. So you're not circling or labeling like this. We're not doing that. You're circling the entire pattern. Okay. All right, with your listening log, if you watched the packet 1 video, I already explained this, but let's just go through it again. Remember, it's not asking you for how the piece made you feel. It's asking, what do you think the composer was trying to convey. Like, was he trying to convey sadness? Is he trying to get across like a feeling of frustration? Or let's see, I can look here and make sure that you understand what each of these words mean if you use them, okay? You don't have to use the words here. It's just a helpful guide. I found this guide just like on the internet. It's just a whole bunch of emotions. So I wanted you not to just use sad, happy, and not be able to describe music in any with just using those two words. So really expand your vocabulary for when you're talking about music. And that is it for Packet 2.